To customize icons on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down to the home screen, lock screen and style, and then we can navigate down to the icons section. That way you'll be able to first switch between different styles for your icons that you can see on the top, and you can click on more, which should open a store with more icons, but keep in mind that some of them will be under a price, so you will need to pay for them. Then you can activate Art Plus icons, which adds custom icons for some of the apps. You can see the difference right here on the top. And you can also enable dark icons in case that you enter dark mode. You can also change the size of the icons and put the round corners for it, and also switch the size for the app names. And finally, when you're ready, click on apply, and that way you will get custom icons on your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.